from Mahesh Pawar, Principal, MHUP Buradi. We completed multiple choice question part 1 with 50 question. Now multiple choice question part 2 with next 50 question. So total 100 questions are there for pharmaceutic second. First question, the solids do not dissolve in water but distributed uniformly upon shaking are called diffusible solids, indiffusible solids, simple mixture, soluble substances. Answer is diffusible solids. The preparation used for skin application, liniments, douches, spray solution, eardrop. Answer is liniment. The change of one type of emulsion to other type is called as cracking, creaming, dilution, phase inversion. Answer is phase inversion. Which of the following is used for external use only? Mixture, douches, syrup, all of above. Answer is douches. Following are the disadvantages of liquid dosage form except not suitable for hygroscopic substances, more chances of microbial contamination, poor stability of medicament, chance of variation in doses. Answer is not suitable for hygroscopic substances. Ointments are prepared by following method except bottle method, trituration method, fusion method, chemical reaction method. Answer is bottle method. Given the following are commonly used as a flocculating agent except methylparaben, twin 80, carboxyls, sodium lauryl sulfate. So answer is methylparaben. Which is not type of therapeutic incompatibility? Overdose, wrong dose, unpalatability, contraindicated drugs. Answer is unpalatability. The prescriber knowingly prescribe incompatible drugs is called intentional incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, adjusted incompatibility, therapeutic incompatibility. Answer is intentional incompatibility. Next question number 10. Is used to increase the viscosity of liquid preparation, that is polyvinyl pyrrolidine, alginates, benzalkonium chloride, both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Next question, in which suspension sediment is loosely packed and does not form hard cake? Flocculated suspension, non-flocculated suspension, both A and B, and none of these. Answer is non-flocculated suspension. Which method used for the preparation of emulsion on small scale? So these are the method: dry gum method, wet gum method, bottle method, all of above. So all these methods are used. So answer is all of above. Which is not type of physical incompatibility? Tolerated, unpalatability, incomplete solution, liquefaction of solid. Answer is tolerated. Suppository bases should have low acid value because acid react with other ingredients. Rectum and vagina has basic pH. Acid cause irritation of mucous membrane. And last option, next option, both A and C. So the answer is both A and C. Setting of dispersed phase globules due to density difference as a concentrated layer is known as creaming, cracking, viscosity, phase inversion. Answer is creaming. Powder are not used for external use from following, that is granular effervescent powder, dusting powder, dentifrices, snubs. Answer is granular effervescent powder, not used for external. is pleasing in appearance. So flocculated suspension, non-flocculated suspension, both A and B, none of these. So non-flocculated suspension is pleasing in appearance. Suppositories are prepared by following method except rolling method, fusion method, cold compression method, trituration method. So answer is trituration method. The effervescent granules is a mixture of citric acid, tartaric acid and one of the following, that is sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydroxide, potassium citrate, calcium carbonate. Answer is sodium bicarbonate. Cocoa butter exhibit all the following properties except it is mixture of glyceride, it is soluble in water, it is polymorph, it is useful in formulating rectal suppositories. Answer is it is soluble in water. Crystalline substances gives water of crystallization during trituration is called effervescent powder, uritic mixture, all of above. Answer is effervescent powder. Adjuvants not used in formulation of monophagic liquid dosage form are stabilizer, suspending agents, sweetening agents, all of above. So the answer is suspending agent. Type of ointment: epidermatic, endodermatic, diadermatic, or all of above. So these three all are the types of ointment. So answer is all of above. Which is true for good lips? Which is not true for good lipstick? It should be smooth and easy to apply. It should have high retention of color. It should melt at body temperature. It should have pleasant odor and taste. Answer is it should melt at body temperature. So it is not true for lipstick. Next question. Meaning of Latin term is M is mistura, morodicto, mane, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Which of the following formula is not depend upon proportion to age? Young's rule, Fried's rule, Clark's rule, Cowling's rule. Answer is Clark's rule. Additives used in the formulation of powder: diluents, abrasives, granulating agents, all of above. So the answer is all of above. Which of the following method is not used for preparing suppositories? Spray molding, molding by hand, compression molding, pour molding. So answer is spray molding. Physical change may almost be visible, invisible, turbid, clear. Answer is visible. It is not a type of suppository base. Oleaginous base, aqueous base, suspending base, emulsifying bases. Answer is suspending bases. Semi-solid dosage form contain maximum concentration of insoluble medicaments known as ointments, cream, suppositories, paste. Answer is paste. Liquids oral preparation in which concentrated aqueous solution of sucrose is used as vehicle is known as syrup, lotion, emulsion, tincture. Answer is syrup. Which of the following is used to improve the skin permeability of a drug in ointment? Dimethyl sulfoxide, urea, alcohol, all of these. Answer is all of these. Which of the following method is used for the preparation of thermolabile materials? Fusion method, trituration method, compression method, all of these. Answer is trituration method. The agents which reduce sweating, that is deodorants, shampoo, cold cream, antiperspirants. So the answer is antiperspirants which reduce sweatings. Glycerin suppositories solidifies with the use of cocoa butter, sodium stearate, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Answer is sodium stearate. Which of the following excipients are not used in the preparation of dusting powder? Starch, talc, zinc oxide, sodium bicarbonate. So the starch, talc and zinc oxide, these are the ingredients of dusting powder. So the answer is sodium bicarbonate. The base used for cold cream, absorption, hydrocarbon, water removable, both A and C. Answer is absorption. Zinc pyridines in the shampoo is used as conditioner, cleansing agent, anti-dandruff agent, detergent. Answer is anti-dandruff agent. The globule size in microemulsion 0.01 micrometer, 0.1 micrometer, 1 micrometer, 10 micrometer. Answer is 0.01 micrometer. Next question. The co-solvent used in the preparation of parental product is dimethyl acetamide, phenol, methyl alcohol. None of these. Answer is dimethyl acetamide. Natural polysaccharide is sodium alginate, tragacan, gum acacia, methyl cellulose. Answer is sodium alginate. Next question. Calculate the dose of aspirin for child 6 years old. 400 mg, 600 mg, 450 mg, 500 mg. So by considering the adult dose of aspirin, the calculation is 500 mg. Next question. The official dose represents bulk amount of drug suitable for adult, average amount of drug administered with specific interval, average range of drug quantity administered orally within 24 hours, suitable amount of drug given daily through suitable route. Answer is average range of drug quantity administered orally within 24 hours. Next question. Basurin paste contain which of the following ingredients as a base? So tragacanth is the answer. Acacia, old fat and pectins are other options. Next question. Release from controlled release drug form first order, second order, zero order, all of the above. Answer is first order. Next question. Emulsifying agent used in parental emulsion. Acacia, methyl cellulose, gelatin, lecithin. Answer is lecithin. What is the dose of furosemide? So the dose of furosemide is 40 to 80 mg per day, but it can be titrated maximum up to 600 mg per day. Next question. Not used in formulation of shampoo. That is sequestering agent, suspending agent, thickening agent, opacifier. Answer is suspending agent. Next question. Question number 50. Mesh size of USB disintegrator is 10, 20, 30, 40. So answer is 10. So these are the next 50 questions of part 2. So we completed 100 questions. So revise part 1 and part 2 for your regular practice. So intention of this video is only your practice. Thank you.